make some pancakes. I want to make 3 different kinds of pancakes. So the first one would be like a classic one with cinnamon sugar. And the second one would have chocolate. And the third one would be really indulgent. It would have caramel, banana, and ice cream. If you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. In a bowl with 2 cups of sifted flour, add 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a pinch of salt, mix and set aside. In a bowl, mix together 4 eggs, 360 ml of milk, 300 ml of water, and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Mix until well combined. Add the egg mixture to the dry ingredients and mix until well combined. Add in 200 ml of oil and mix until well combined. Over medium heat, fry pancakes about a minute each side. over medium heat, add 1 cup of cream and 1 cup of packed dark brown sugar. Mix while the sugar dissolves and the mixture comes to a slow boil. Continue to boil until the cream reduces to 1 cup, about 10 minutes. Then add in the half a cup of condensed milk and mix until well combined. A half a cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, mix until well combined. Sprinkle cinnamon sugar over pancake and roll pancake up. Warm the Nutella up slightly and spread over half the pancake. Fold over the other half of the pancake and then fold the pancake in half again until you have a triangle. Cut up pieces of banana and spread across the pancake. Roll pancake up. And add ice cream on top. Drizzle caramel on top of the pancakes. These pancakes are perfect treats for any occasion.